What if I told you that every single day, money is quietly being siphoned from millions of hardworking people to a tiny fraction of the population? The sound of cash being counted rhythmically fills the silence, sharp and deliberate. No one hacked your bank account. No one broke into your home. In fact, most people participate in this transfer willingly. And the most unsettling part? It is completely legal. The voice deepens, slowing down. You have been conditioned to believe that your money is safe, that your savings are growing, and that the system is built to reward your loyalty. You are wrong. The cash counting sound stops abruptly. Tonight, we are pulling back the curtain. We are exposing the mechanism that turns your labor into someone else's profit. You have been playing by the rules, but you have been playing the wrong game. It is time to see exactly where your money goes when you swipe your card or check your balance. The system is not broken. It is working exactly as intended. The screen flashes to life. Millions of alarm clocks ring in unison. Crowds surge into subways, shoulders hunched, eyes fixed on glowing devices. They are rushing toward a promise: work harder, earn more, save the scraps, and retire someday. It sounds like a sturdy formula, but if that path truly created wealth, why are the hardest workers the ones with the least? The scene shifts. A sleek high-rise office in New York. A trader taps a single key. A screen displays a $50,000 gain before the first cup of coffee is poured. In California, an investor closes a laptop, passive income accumulating while they sleep. In Nebraska, a farmer walks across fields where land value ticks upward with every sunrise. They are not magicians. They are simply playing by a different set of rules. The narrator leans into the frame. The common belief is that sweat equity is the only way to the top. But look closer. While the subway crowds trade their hours for wages, the elite trade assets for growth. They do not work for money. They make money work for them. The myth of the daily grind is the anchor that holds you in place, while they are already miles ahead, navigating a landscape you have not even been taught to see. The narrator leans in, eyes fixed on the lens. The secret is simple. The rich do not chase money, they chase ownership. The screen displays a series of rapid cuts. A person buys an iPhone. A delivery driver drops a package on a porch. A customer taps a card at a coffee shop counter. Every time you buy that device, place that online order, or grab your morning coffee, you are paying a toll. You are the source of the revenue, but you are not the one keeping it. Lines of capital flowing from individual transactions into massive, centralized hubs. Imagine holding a tiny fraction of these giants. When they grow, your stake grows. This is not some exclusive club for billionaires. It is the fundamental mechanism of the modern economy. Most people stop at the transaction. They see a product they want and a price they can afford. They never ask who owns the infrastructure behind the swipe. You have been trained to be a consumer, a permanent end user of the system. But what if you stopped being the one paying the toll and started being the one collecting it? The transition from spender to stakeholder starts with one realization. You are currently funding someone else's wealth. It is time to change sides. The system is not just indifferent, it is engineered to keep you stagnant. Inflation eats your savings while you sleep. High-interest debt chains you to your desk, turning every hour of your labor into interest payments for someone else. Then there is lifestyle inflation, the constant, nagging pressure to buy items you do not need to impress people you do not truly like. One habit is designed to entertain you into total complacency. The other builds the knowledge required to navigate the market. These are not random accidents of fate. They are hurdles placed to slow your momentum. They keep your attention fragmented and your capital trapped in a cycle of consumption. If you stay on this path, the system wins by default. You are working hard, but you are running on a treadmill that moves faster than you do. It is time to stop running and start building. Wall Street does not care about your background. It rewards one thing: ownership. He pauses, letting the silence hang. Ask yourself this: if someone handed you $10 million today, would you keep working your current job? Probably not. So why do the wealthy keep building? Because they learned that wealth is not just about accumulation, it is about creating and capturing value. The camera zooms in. The difference is not IQ or luck. It is understanding the flow of capital. Look at what you were taught. Schools teach you how to earn a paycheck, how to follow orders, and how to trade your time for a fixed rate. But they never teach you how to acquire assets. They never show you how to make your money work for you rather than against you. The system was never hidden, it was just never explained to you. It was kept behind closed doors, reserved for those who understood the mechanics of the game. Now you know the truth. You see the machinery behind the curtain.